Hello everyone, this video is the sequel to my previous video. If you haven't seen my previous video yet, I would request you all to please just go to that video and watch it out before starting this video. Now, when you Google your particular problem, you will find 100 of new blogs and write-ups regarding the solutions uh, which can help you out in solving your particular problem, right? But how can you decide that whether you should be trusting on that particular blog regarding the solution or not? The one clear way is to just read through that particular blog and cross verify that solution by designing your own experimentation and test and running through the official documentation of that particular language or framework, whatever you are using, right? But there is another way as well when you don't want to design some test and you are reluctant to cross verify on your own, or you are running short on time. So in that case, I will give you 3 pointers of how you can figure out whether you should be trusting that particular blog or not. My first pointer would be you need to figure out the readership of that particular blog which you are reading, right? So if there are many people who are actively using or reading that particular blog, actively commenting on their post, and they are exchanging arguments with other developers on that particular blog, then you can trust this blog more readily as compared to a blog which is not having any particular amount of readership and there are no likes and comments on their post. Second thing which you have to notice is that whether the particular post on that blog is having any kind of background analysis available, right? See, if the writer is writing about any particular topic, he might have prepared some kind of research which he has already shared in that particular blog post. The blog post which are having such kind of background analysis and other side experimentation attached in that particular blog post are readily more trustable as compared to some blogs which are just stating facts and just telling you that this is how you should be using that particular feature, right? If there are experimentations attached in that particular blog post and there is some background information available to you in that particular blog post, you can be sure that writer has done some kind of research before writing that particular blog post, and he is not just trying to shove information into your mouth, right? So those blog posts are comparatively more trustable as compared to the blog posts which are not having any kind of background research available, right? The third thing which you have to notice is that whether this blog post is having links to the official documentation. See, what it actually represents is that the writer who is writing about this particular topic is actually aware of the official documentation offered by the folks who have designed this particular feature or language or method, right? So he has taken his time to verify whatever he's trying to teach you or whatever he's writing on his own post against the official documentation of the language or the framework, right? So it will save you from the hassle of going and researching and cross verifying that writer's post on your own, because if he has included links in his own material, then it is very much sure that he has done some kind of research regarding the topic and he has already cross verified his claims and arguments in his own post, right? So that is all about how you should be using third-party blogs written by other developers, right? And I think that you would be able to design more rigid and perfect solution using my advice. Hey, if you really like what I'm doing here, please do subscribe to my channel and share my videos with someone who you think can actually benefit from the advice I'm trying to give here. Thank you all for your cooperation.